Now I am going to consider the problems in exercise 2.2, and here as a whole I will solve some examples and I will leave some example for your exercise, or I can say homework. In this video I am considering the first example and second example. Both of them I will solve here. And now we can see some solutions of some examples in exercise 2.2, and exercise 2.2 exactly here, not 1, 2.2, and example 1 I am giving here. In the figure 1 and 2, DE is parallel to BC. Find EC in 1 and AD in 2. Now we can see the figures here. Exactly here what we have to do, here we have to find EC here, and here we have to find AD here. And second example, EF is E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively in the triangle PQR, and for each of the following cases state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. The example here, whether EF is parallel to QR or not, with the help of a given data. Here data are given in 1, whether PE, EQ and PF, FR are given, and with the help of these data we have to see whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Similarly, all the other sides are given here with a different data, and with these data only we have to check whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Now we can consider the solution of the problem 1, and now we can see here. Here in 1, DE is parallel to BC. By Thales theorem, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Exactly here we have to find the value of EC, and therefore we can see here this implies AD, this implies 1.5 with the given data we can write down by 3 equal to 1 by x. Here EC is equal to x. We have assumed we have to find the value of x here, and therefore x is equal to 3 by 1.5 is equal to 2 cm, and therefore EC is equal to 2 cm. This is the answer for the question in case of figure 1, and now we can see from 2, from the figure 1 to AD by DB equal to AE by EC, again by Thales theorem. This is so the ratios of the sides are equal, again by the Thales theorem. This implies what is that? X AD, which you can call this is x. Here also we have to find out the value of x. X by what is that? 7.2 is equal to AE means 1.8 divided by 5.4. This implies 1.8 this implies x is equal to 1.8 divided by 5.4 into 7.2 is equal to 12.96 divided by 5.4 is equal to 2.4. Therefore, here, what is that? AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Okay. Now, we will consider the second example. That is solution of the second example I am going to consider. And in PQR, EF is equal to QR only when P by EQ is equal to PF by FR, or PQ by PE equal to PR by PF. One of them is true, then we say that EF is parallel to, thus we can have, here PE by in one, who can say P by Q equal to P by Q or EQ equal to 3.9 by 3 is equal to 1.5. PE, you can see here, PE is given here, PE equal to 3.9, EQ is equal to 3, and the total value is going to be 1.5. And PF by FR, PF by FR. In one, the data we can see PF equal to 3.6 by 2.FR equal to 2.4 is equal to 1.5, and therefore P by QE is not equal to P by Q is not equal to PF by here 1.5, and this is PE equal to 1.3. This is PE equal to 1.3. P equal to 1.3, and this is PF by FR, and therefore EF is not parallel to QR. That is, EF is not parallel to QR. In this case, EF is not parallel to PR. Therefore, by the second set of data, we have PE by QE. PE by QE is equal to 4 divided by what is that? 4.5 equal to 0.888 and PF by RF equal to 8 by 9. This is also equal to 0.888. Therefore, P by QE equal to PF by RF. Therefore, by the converse of the Thales theorem, we have EF is a parallel to QR. And in this third set of data, we have PQ by PE equal to 1.28 divided by 0.18 equal to 7.111 and PR by PF equal to 2.56 by what is that? 0.36 and that equal to 7.111 and therefore we can conclude that PQ by PE is equal to PR by PF. And subtracting 1 from both sides of this equation, we get PQ by PE minus 1 equal to PR by PF minus 1. And this implies PQ minus PE by P equal to PR minus PF by PF. And this implies EQ by PE equal to FR by PF. By reciprocation, we can write down PE by EQ equal to PF by FR and thus by the converse of the Thales theorem, EF equal to QR. In the second set of data and third set of data, we have proved that EF is a parallel to QR, whereas in the first set of data, we have already shown that EF is not parallel to QR.